Hey friends, who's hungry? Soft graham cracker cookies filled with marshmallow and dipped in chocolate make this homemade moon pie recipe a nostalgic and classic southern treat. Start by creaming 6 ounces of softened unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of cane syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract until light and fluffy, about 1 minute. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1¼ cups of finely ground graham cracker crumbs, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. With a mixer on low, gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture. Slowly pour in 3 tablespoons of whole milk and mix until the dough comes together and pulls away from the bowl. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap, flatten it slightly, and refrigerate for up to 1 hour. Once chilled, roll the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. Cut out the cookies using a 3-inch round cutter and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies should still be soft when they come out of the oven. Let them cool completely. To assemble, spoon about 2 tablespoons to 1/4 cup of marshmallow cream onto the center of half the cookies. Top with the remaining cookies and gently press until the marshmallow reaches the edges. Freeze the sandwich cookies for at least 30 minutes. While they chill, melt 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and whisk in 2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil until smooth and glossy. Dip each frozen cookie into the chocolate, coating completely, then place the cookie on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Return the cookies to the freezer until the chocolate is fully set. Serve your homemade moon pies with a glass of milk or an ice-cold RC Cola. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.